All right, everybody. This is from a pal, Hoos. He's got a 2012 Bowman Draft Jumbo. There's 3 autos in here. One of the autos will be a refractor. It could be color. Rarely you can get 2 refractors, but it's usually just the one. So let's see what we can get them. These were purchased at Blowout Cards at www.blowoutcards.com, and you can check them out via the link in the description. So Hoos, I think your box is going out in the morning too, bud. You've got another medium flat rate. It looks like it's packed up and ready to go. All I got to do is print the label. So I'll try to get these in it. I probably can. All right, guys. Everybody wish Hoos some luck. The good news is he's got at least 3 autos. Let's see what else we can get him. Rashad Brown refractor. Yeah, he's done pretty well lately. Jake Pintar. You guys know the insert in here, the one that's got Bryce Harper and somebody else, and it's got Mike Trout and somebody else. I sent those to check out my cards, and somebody bought them for $1 each. This card right here. There's one with this one's got Josh Hamilton and Bryce Harper. There's another one with Mike Trout and some other guy, Matt Cain, I think. I just sent them in on a whim, right? You know, whatever. Michael Wacha, nice auto. Michael Wacha refractor auto, not numbered. Michael Wacha for the Cardinals. Let me get that to come in for you. There you go. Nice auto, buddy. Yeah, and they bought like a bunch of them. I didn't send them all in, so I've got a bunch more. I'm just gonna send them all. Just send them all. Yeah, excuse me. Honestly, I did not think that those would sell, but you know, I figure what the hell, right? Joey Gallo, Silver Ice. That's a great card. I sold one of those for $8 on Check Out My Cards over the weekend. $8, Joey Gallo, Silver Ice. Yoenis Cespedes, Bennett Picker, refractor, Richie Schaefer. Look at that. That's a hot box right there, pal. Hot box. Mitch Geller. Nice chrome. I got my purple in. Did I tell you guys? I got the purple. The black. Check out what they did to my black Richie Schaefer auto. They put it in an oversized top loader without a sleeve and let it bang around. This is the other card I was talking about. Mike Trout and Matt Cain. The blue paper is Nick Treviso, 60 of 500, and so all the corners got dinged. It's got surface scratches. I was so mad, so mad. They just ruined my Schaefer Bowman black auto like that. It looked like it was really good before they ruined it. Drew Smiley rookie to 500. Here comes your auto. Austin Oon for the Yankees. Austin Oon. So you've got one auto left, buddy. Plus, I don't know, we should probably hit you something else. Maybe red ice or something. Color refractor. Jacob Wilson. Mr. Wilson. Prospect code card. Wei-Yin Chen. Tom Malone, rookie. Refractor to 300 on the Malone. David Dahlchrome. All right, 2 packs left. Purple ice of David Cruz for the Marlins. 10 of 10, eBay 1 of 1. You got a David Cruz, purple ice, 10 of 10. I don't know who the hell he is. But still, nice and rare. eBay 1 of 1. Good times. And this should be your 3rd auto right here. And you ready? Gavin Cecchini. Gavin Cecchini. 1st round draft pick for the Mets. Alright, sir, let me go over this real quick with you. Houdini, show him what he's won. Well, sir, you've got a Gavin Cecchini auto. 1st round draft pick for the Mets. David Cruz, purple ice, 10 of 10 for the Marlins. Austin Oon, 1st round draft pick for the Yankees. And Michael Waka Waka, refractor auto for the Cardinals, 1st round draft pick. I was pretty sure he was, but I had to check. All right, bud, thanks for the box. Some good autos in there, and then the purple ice is always good.